Hello there everyone, welcome back to Arts Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic how many cells does an ant have. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants are social insects that cooperate and coordinate with others to perform different activities and have multiple cells in their bodies. An ant has almost 20 to 22 million cells distributed all over the body to form different organs like stinger, legs, digestive system and eyes. Moreover, each body part contains a different number of cells like 2,50,000 in the brain, 40,000 in the heart, 6 to 8 million in an exoskeleton, 0.5 to 1 million in the legs and 10,000 in the stinger and antenna. In the same way, the number depends on the factors like species type, age, gender, size and weight. For example, tiny pharaoh ants have fewer cells than large carpenter ants and Amazonian ants. These insects have a long lifespan as they can survive for almost 20 to 30 years if there is a little risk of attack from an intruder or predator. Furthermore, they can protect themselves efficiently due to advanced structures like antennae, gaster and pinchers, which are made up of thousands of cells that collectively form tissues and organs. Unicellular organisms have a single cell as their bodies are simpler in structure. Therefore, they rely on a single structure for all their activities like bacteria. Moreover, multicellular organisms have multiple cells in their bodies, making the system complex and efficient. Ants include the category of multicellular organisms, as they have multiple cells and contain specialized internal organs. Furthermore, you can look at these tiny creatures with eyes, legs, and other body parts that give an idea of their complexity. An ant body comprises three distinct parts: the head region on the top, the thorax region that comes right after the head, and the abdominal region at the end. Many external and internal structures make it a living organism with several distinguishing characteristics. In addition, you can see two large compound eyes on the head and pinchers that help bite the predators. They have jaws or mandibles that help grasp and crush the food particles. They have spiracles, a less complex heart, a nervous system, and two stomachs for digesting and storing purposes. Furthermore, you can see a large antenna, gasters, stingers, acidopore, and many other fine structures on their bodies that are made of multiple cells. Ants and humans share a similarity of being social insects and social animals, meaning they perform social activities in a group, but the type of activities differ according to their surrounding. The number of basic units of cellular organization in ants is lesser than in humans because these are small creatures having less complex structure, while humans are larger and more complex organisms. Moreover, humans are more functional than these insects and contain specialized organs for each activity, like they have larger limbs for movement. Ants have only 10 to 20 million cells, but humans have trillions, as each organ requires millions of units to build a fine structure. Furthermore, they contain almost 37.2 trillion cells distributed all over the body, but this is not an even distribution as some organs have more units than others. It is estimated that almost 38 to 40,000 colonies can make up a cell count equal to those found in a single human. Additionally, the human heart has 30 million, while ants have only 38 to 40,000 cells. In the same way, this number ranges from 0.5 to 1 million in the legs of these insects and almost 40 million in human legs. The ants are small creatures and their cells are also small enough to be compared with those in humans. The size of an average cell is about 0.1 micrometer, but it varies in different types. However, a human cell is shorter than an ant size but bigger than the size of its single unit. The length of smaller insects is even shorter than the bigger carpenter ants, which are almost 10 to 20 millimeter long. However, the size of each unit in a body varies to a smaller extent according to the type of organ, like antenna has different size, while the basic units of the stomach have different sizes. The number of cells in ants varies depending on the species type, age and gender. Almost 12 to 13,000 species of these insects have varying weights and sizes. The carpenter ants have more cells than others, like Argentine ants, as they are almost 10 to 20 millimeter long, while the latter is only 2 to 3 millimeter long. They vary in size when you consider different species. Pharaoh ants are the smallest. Queens are larger in any colony and Amazonian ants are the largest. The smallest ants need a lesser number of cells as their bodies are small and require lesser tissues and organs to move, breathe, or perform any other functions. Thanks for watching the video.